Dear students, welcome to online class 7 English version. This is your Kamal sir. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we will discuss on exercise 5.3. The title of 5.3 is factorization. That means we have to know how to factorize. This is the topics of exercise 5.3. Dear students, you can see that already I have written some information for you. Clear? Now, at first, what is factorization? An algebraic expression is a product of two or more than two expressions. This is the factorization. That means this is the main important word. Look, product. So what is the product? We know the answer of multiplication. The answer of multiplication, this is the product. And when we write as the answer according to the multiplication, then this is indicate the one term. Remember that this is indicate the one term as a single term. So our target factorization, that means we have to write as a product. That means we have to make as a one term. That means a single term. This is the factorization. Now look, each of these latter expression is termed as the factor of first expression. Suppose an example, x square minus y square. Look, there are two terms, x square minus y square. One term x square and another term y square. Now we can write x plus y into x minus y. Already exercise 5.2 we know this is one kind of formula. A square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So according to this formula we can write this is similar. Look, this is similar, x square minus y square. We can write x plus y into x minus y. Now look, this is the product of these two one, because this is in this place indicate a dot, that means multiplication symbol. So this is total, this is a product, but this is here y square is subtracted from x square. So this is the term. Here two terms. But this here right side we can say there is only one term, single term, because this is a product. This and this make one term as a product. So this is the factorization. Resolve into factors we can say. Now this x plus y and x minus y. This is the factors of this expression. This is called each of this lateral expression, that means x plus y and x minus y. This lateral expression we can say they are factors of first expression. First expression, that means x square minus y square. So these two are factors of x square minus y square. Clear? So this is our basic concept of factorization. So again I can say factorization means we have to express as a product, that means according to multiplication. Remember, multiplication, not our plus, minus or division symbol. We have to write as a multiplication because this is the product. And each term this is called factor. Now dear student, take your math book and open exercise 5.3. Now, at first, we can write problem number 1. X square plus xy plus zx plus yz. Now look, our target, we want to factorize. Clear? This math. Now look, there are how many terms? We can say there are 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have to make one term as a product. Clear? It will be a product. That means we have to use multiplication. Then it will be our factorization. Clear? So there are 4 terms, but we want to make as a one term. Now how we can solve? That means how we can factorize it. Now for factorization you can apply these 3 steps. Clear? Now look, step number 1, take common. Take common means if applicable, if you can take common, then you try to take common. This is our step 1. And step 2, apply formula. Which formula? A square minus b square. That means a plus b into a minus b. Only one formula. This a square minus b square. Clear? Or do something for applying formula. Suppose when we go to the another math, then you can see some maths you don't apply a square minus b square directly. Then we should do something for applying this formula. So this is the topics. Do something for apply formula. Step 3, last step, apply middle term process. These 3 steps, according to these 3 steps, we can solve any factorization. Clear? So now, problem number 1. Step 1. If we try to apply step 1, now look, take common. Is it possible? All terms. Look, x, these 2 terms common. Here also x, but 4th term there is no x. So there is no things is common as a 4 terms. Nothing is common. Clear? But if we think as a 2 terms, these 2 terms and these 2 terms. Now look, first 2 terms we can say there is x is common. Now if x is common, then we can write x plus y. Now you can say, sir, how we can write this x plus y? Look, x common, that means we need to divide x square and xy, these 2 terms, by x. Common means you have to divide. Clear? Now if we divide x square by x, then our answer will be x. So now write this answer, include the bracket. Clear? X. Now this is the plus, and if we divide xy, this term xy by x, then our answer will be y, because x and x minimize. So I have written y. Clear? Now these 2 terms, which one is common? Yes, z is common. That means now we should divide these 2 terms by z. Now zx divided by z. Z and z minimize, answer will be x. Then plus, if we divide yz by z, then our answer will be y. So common means we have to divide. And the division, clear? The answer of division we have to write including the bracket. Now look, there are 4 terms, but now there are 2 terms. This one and this one. There are 2 terms. These 4 terms, but now 2 terms. Now look, these 2 terms, x plus y, x plus y. This is common. Now again we can write x plus y as a common. Now common means divide. Now divide this first term, x into x plus y. This term we should to divide by x plus y. Now x plus y and x plus y will be minimized. Now answer will be x. Now write the symbol of plus sign, and again if we divide this term by x plus y, then answer will be z. Now look, this is the multiplication sign, and this multiplied, that means this is the product. So there are how many terms? 1 term. You know in class 6, plus and minus. Clear? Plus and minus are used for written term. Multiplication and division, they are not used for term. So there are only 1 term. That means single term. So we can say this algebraic expression are factorized. These 2 algebraic expression, they are the factors of this first expression. Clear? So this is our answer. Again I am saying common means divide. Clear? If we take x is a common, that means you have to divide these 2 terms by x, and the answer of division you have to write this place. Clear? Similarly this one, again x plus y is common. Now write the answer of division. So now this is the into process, that means multiplication, product. So this is our answer. Clear? This is the very simple. Now we can go to the problem number 4. Problem number 2 and 3 similar to problem number 1. I think you will be able to solve. Now problem number 4. What is the problem number 4? 4x square minus y square. 4x square minus y square. Now look, there is any common? Can you find any common? No. Clear? No common. So step 1, we can't apply step 1. So go to the step 2. Clear? Step 2, apply formula s square minus b square. Look, there is a minus, but this is not actual format for s square minus b square. So don't worry, or option, do something for applying formula. So we can write twice x whole square minus y square. Now this is the 100% similar shape as the formula s square minus b square. If twice x, we can say as a and y as a b. So this will be s square minus b square. So now we can write as according to the formula a plus b, a minus b. This twice x as a and y as a b. So this will be similar to problem our step number 2 formula. Look, here x square, here 4 outside of square. This square only belongs to x. But if we write twice x whole square, then this square both on 2 and x. Clear? So just we something, look, do something, apply formula. Just we write as this format, then we can apply step number 2. So look, this is the into process. That means this and this is multiplied. This indicates as a product. That means single term, one term. So we can say our factorization complete. So this is the our answer. Clear? Okay. Now we can go to our next problem. Now dear students, problem number 7. Problem number 5 and 6, 100% similar to problem number 4. You will be able to solve, inshallah. Now problem number 7, 16x to the power 4 minus 81y to the power 4. Now look, is there any common? No. So go to the step number 2. Just 3 steps, very simple, just 3 steps. Step 1, no. Then go to the step 2. Then go to the step 3. Clear? Now step 2. Apply formula s square minus b square. Look, there is not directly s square minus b square because this 4 only for x, not 16. If we write, look, this is according to 4x square whole square. Look, 4 square, that means 16, and x square whole square. 2 2 ja 4 minus this 81 means 9, and this is y square whole square. Now look, if we can say 4x square as a and 9y square as a b, so this will be a square minus b square. So similar to formula step number 2. Now we can write a plus b and also a minus b. Now look, dear students, in this place, this is also product and one term. You can say, sir, our answer is complete. But look, this algebraic expression, if we want, we can resolve this algebraic expression. So we have to resolve. Now look, 4x square minus 9y square. Also we can apply step 2 for this one. How? Now I am written (9y square). Look, I am writing 4x square, that means twice x whole square. 9y square means 3y whole square. Giving the second bracket. Now 4x square plus 9y square, and look, this is s square minus b square. Step 2, s square minus b square. Now twice x whole square, that means 4x square, 3y whole square means 9y square. Clear? Now here we can apply step 2. A twice x as a plus b, 3y as a b. Now again a minus b. So this is our answer. So we can say this 7 number problem, this is already factorized. Clear? And this, look, 4x square plus 9y square, this is already factorized. We can't resolve it. Clear? So now this is resolved. So this is our factorization for problem number 7. Clear, dear students? Okay. Now we can go another problem. Now problem number 8. Look, this is very simple. Look, is there any common? No, but step 2. Directly we can apply step 2. How? This is a. If x plus y, we can say as a b. Look, if x plus y, we can say as a b, then it will be a square minus b square. That means step 2, directly we can use. So, a plus b. Here 2 terms, but we say as a b. So, I am giving second bracket. Now, this is for your better understanding, a plus b, a minus b. Look, a plus b, a minus b, x plus y as a b. Now if we simplify, then a plus x plus y, and this will be a minus. If we take first bracket, if we want to remove, then this will be plus minus minus, and this plus minus minus. So this will be our answer. We know when we multiply plus and minus sign, then answer is minus. So this will be answer. Remember that sometimes we can say many students, they wrote minus x, but this is plus y. But remember that when we remove any bracket, then if this is the minus, then all included term, they will be changed, their sign will be changed. So this is minus, and also this is minus, plus a minus a minus. So look, now this is into multiplication as a product pattern. So we can say our result complete, factorization complete. Now dear students, we will discuss step number 3. We can say step 1, step 2. Already we apply. Now step 3, apply middle term process. What is that? Now we can solve problem number 17. Now you can say x square plus 11x plus 30. Look, step 1, no common. Clear? Go to the step 2. Formula. Sir, look, there is how many terms? 2 terms, but there is 3 terms. So we can say this process we can't apply, because if we want to apply step 2, we need only 2 terms, but there are 3 terms. So we can go step 3, apply middle term process. That means this mid term we have to divide as a 2 term. This mid term we have to divide as a 2 term. Then there will be total 4 terms. Then problem number 1, we can take these 2 terms and these 2 terms as a common. Clear? But this is the main topics. How we can divide this mid term as a 2 terms. 11x, we can write 10x plus x. 11x, suppose you can write 9x plus 2x. Sorry, 11x, you can write 8x plus 3x. Or if you want to write as a minus process, then you can write 12x minus x, it will be 11x, 13x minus 2x, 14x minus 3x. But now what will be the answer? Clear? Now look, we have to write x square plus 6x plus 5x. plus 30. Now look, why 6x plus 5x? Clear? Why 6x plus 5x? Because 6 and 5, if we plus, answer will be 11. And look, 6 and 5, if we multiply, this will be 30. That means 6 into 5, this will be 30. And look, what is the coefficient of this one? 1. And what is the constant? Last term, 30. So if we multiply 1 and 30, 1 and 30, answer 30. And this answer 30. That means you have to write as a two terms if first and last, that means this coefficient and this constant, their product also will be similar to the product of these two numbers. Which these two numbers? This is already written from mid term. Clear? 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 multiply 30. So 1 into 30, this is 30, and 6x plus 5x. If we plus, then this is 11x. Now another process, look, another process, that means another technique. It will be very much easy for you. At first look, what is the symbol, sign? First term plus. What is the sign? Last term plus. If this sign is same, remember same, then you have to add. Look, again I am saying, if the sign of first term and the sign of last term, that means constant term, the sign of constant term and the sign of first term, if these two sign is same, plus plus or minus minus, then you have to add. Which one is that? For middle term. This mid term you have to add. Clear? Now look, which two numbers, if we add, answer will be 11. Then you can say 10 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 6 plus 5. Look, and this is the condition number 1. Our addition answer will be 11. Also, these two numbers, their product will be 30. Remember that. Now, if we take 6 and 5, then if we add 6 and 5, answer will be 11. And their product will be 30. So, we can write, look, x square plus 6 plus 5 x plus 30. If you write this way, it will be easy for you. Now remove the bracket, 6x plus 5x, this is plus 30. Clear? Now these two terms and these two terms. Problem number 1, similar to problem number, take common. Here common is x. Now if we divide, answer will be x and their answer will be 6. Now these two terms common, 5 is common. Now if take is 5, then division answer will be x and this will be 6. If we divide 30 by 5, then our answer will be 6. Now these two terms, here x plus 6 is common. So now take x plus 6 as a common. Now our answer will be x and their answer will be 5. Clear? So now look, this is a product, that means multiplication symbol, one term. So we can say this is our factorize. Look, this is the main important things. 6 plus 5, 11, and 6 into 5. That means answer is 30. Why 30? Last term 30? No, because 30 and 1, their product is 30. So we have to written, we have to write 6 plus 5. Clear? Okay. Now dear students, we can solve another maths. Then it will be easy for you to understand what is the process, step number 3. Dear student, 12 number maths. Y square minus 6y minus 91. Now look, here symbol is plus and this is minus. When first and last, that means first term and constant term. First term means y square or x square, because the maximum power contains. This term is first term. These two symbol sign, these two sign different. Good, different. When these two sign is different, then we have to subtract. That means we have to minus. subtract for midterm. Clear? Now take two numbers, their subtraction will be 6. The answer of subtract will be 6. Clear? The answer of subtraction will be 6 and the product will be this. Look here 1 and this is 91. So 1 and 91, their product 91. So now take two numbers whose product will be 91 and their answer of subtraction will be 6. Now try to think which two numbers. Now thinking, then we can write as a, if you take 12 and 5, look 12 and 5, their subtraction will be 7 but this is 6. Now we can write 12 and 6 but their product is not 91. Now which number you can take? Try to thinking. Yes, 13 and 7. 13 and 7. Now 13 minus 7. Why minus? Because these two sign is different. So for replacing y, I have written 13 minus 7. This is y and this is 91. Now remove the bracket. Y square minus 13y. Look, minus minus. While remove the bracket, minus minus plus 7y minus 91. If any students, if you want to remove this sentence, you can write this sentence directly. First this sentence, then you can write this sentence. Clear? But if you write this one, it will be easy for you. Clear? It will be easy for understanding. Clear? Now take common first 2 1, y minus 13 and these two terms common 7 y. If we divide 91 by 7, then our answer 13. Now look, these two terms, they are common, y minus 13. So y plus 7. So now look, this is the into product, that means single term one term. So we can say this is our answer. Dear students, I think now you will be able to solve the remaining maths. Very simple exercise 5.3 factorization. Just you need to memorize this step 3, step 1, step 2 and step 3. So take your homework. So solve the remaining all. I have solved some problems for your better understanding. Now you should solve the remaining one. Okay dear students, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.